Namaste, I, Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Now, today's topic is organized drug. The morphological plant part or the entire plant itself called the organized drug. Organized drug consists of organized cellular structure in the form of anatomical feature. Organized drug comprise those crude drug material which present a part of plant and are therefore made up of the cell. Leaves like senna, alusa, dhatura, flowering plant like clove, bark like cinchona wood will be used, sandalwood will be used, acacia will be used, seed nux vomica root like nux vomica root, raw wolfilia. These are the organized drug. Then what is unorganized drug? Unorganized drug do not have the morphological and anatomical organization. These include the products like plant exudates as gum, oligons, resins, plant laxatics like that opium, aloitic juices like aloe, dried extracts or bark or pale catechu, agar, alginic acid, etc. These are unorganized drugs. Other products like essential oils, fixed oils, fats, waxes obtained from the vegetables or the animals, right? These are the unorganized drugs. These products may be solid, semi-solid, and liquid also. Okay, and the physical, chemical, and analytical standard may be applied for the testing and their quality and purity of the drug. So these all are the unorganized drugs, right? Then come forward, what is the difference between the organized and unorganized drug? Organized drugs are cellular structures are present in the organized drug, and unorganized drug, the cellular structures are absent in unorganized drug. Organized drugs are the part of plant, animals like fruits, seeds, woods, etc. And in unorganized, come to the unorganized drug. Unorganized drugs are obtained from the part of the plant, animals by extraction, distillation, incision, expressions or exudates and secretion, etc. All are the in unorganized drug. Organized drug microscopic and histochemical evaluations is used to identify the organized drug. And unorganized drug physical parameters such as density, velocity, refractive index, optical rotations and chemical tests are used to identify. These are unorganized drug. Then organized drug, they are solid in nature, and unorganized drug, they can be solid, semi-solid, and liquid in nature. Example of organized drug: cloves are organized drug, fennel are organized drug, digitalis is organized drug. And come toward the unorganized drug. Unorganized drugs are the lemon oil are unorganized drug, starch is unorganized drug, catechu is unorganized drug. These are the difference between the organized and unorganized drug. Then what is latex? Latex is present in the special tissues of the plant. Okay. Then it is white aqueous suspension. The suspended particles are proteins, sugar, minerals, alkaloids, resins or starch. These are the latex. Under the microscopic and small particle of oil globules, example like opium, pepsin, all are the latex. What is the dried juices? Next, forward to the dried juices. Dried juices, the juices obtained from the fleshy or fleshy leaves, just like example of aloes. Aloes are the dried juice from the stems, from their stems of the trees are the dried juices. Okay. Next, what is dry extract? Dry extract obtained by extracting the part of the plant which desired solvent, or the distillation followed by the concentration is called the dried extract. Example of agar extract, black catechu extract, all are the dried extracts. What is the gum? Gum, the amorphous substances pathological product produced when the plant under unfavorable condition or injured are the gums. Mucilage thick glue substances produced by most of the plant are mucilage. What is the difference between the mucilage and the gums? Gums are produced by the plant when it injured injured diseases or by the process of gummosis, right? This is gum. And the mucilage is the normal product of the plant growth. Okay, mucilage is the normal product of plant growth, and gums are produced by the plant when it is injured, diseased, or by the process called gummosis, right? Next difference is gum is produced outside the plant cell and mucilage is inside the plant cell. Gums are soluble in nature, and they are soluble to form a adhesive solutions like gum is for the adhesive purposes. Okay, and then mucilage are not soluble in water, so they are not soluble in water. They form a slimy slimy solution with the water. They form a slimy solution with the water. Okay, then gum are made up of sugar, salt of uronic acid. Gums are made up of sugar and salt of uronic acid. And the in comparison of the gum, mucilages are made up of ester, sulfuric acid. Okay. Example of gums: gum acacia, gum tragagan, and mucilages is present in the agar, senna, and isabgol. All are the mucilages. Then what is we can say what is another example of drug is oleoresins. Oleoresin is the homogeneous mixtures of volatile oil and other resins are the oleoresins. Example oleoresins is ginger. Okay, homogeneous mixture of volatile oil, gum, and resins. Example are myrrh. We can example are myrrh, asafoetida. These are the homogeneous mixture of volatile oil and resins. Okay, then what is so we have discussed about organized and unorganized in brief, in superficially, organized drug and unorganized drug. So just take a brief about unorganized drug again. Like unorganized drug may be classified under the headings based upon the origin and their nature, giving well characteristic group as well as such as resins and resin combination, gums, dried latex, dried juices, dried extracts, oils and fats, right? Then resins and resin combination. Resins combination example like resins, oleoresins, gum resin, glycoresin. Okay, oleogum resins, all are the resins and resins combination. Example of resins are turpentine and mastic, or alloy resins, capaiba are alloy resins. Okay, gum resin, is gambos is gum resins. Alloy gum resins are asafoetida, myrrh. These are the examples of resins and resins combination. Okay, so I have already told you what are resins. Again, we just read about the resins. Resins or learn about the resins. Resins are the hard. Already told you resins are hard, solid, and semi-solid amorphous organic substances or organic chemical or complex chemical nature in nature, right? So insoluble in nature, these are resins are insoluble in water, petroleum, and in ether, etc. Soluble in, these are only soluble in alcohol, chloroform, ether, in many other organic solvent as well as in fixed and volatile oils. They are brittle secretions and plant tissues, and produce either of the pathogenic into the pathogenic condition. Okay, they can be used into the pathogenic conditions. Preparation: how to prepare the resins. Natural resin are those collected from the plant. Natural resins are collected from the plant. Okay, then can be prepared, how to prepare the resins are combination of resins. These are obtained by the those method, different method, like extraction of the plant containing the resins with the alcohol. Then the solvent is either evaporated or the solution poured into the water to precipitate the resins. Extraction of the plant containing aloe resins with the ether or acetone followed by the distillation to release the oil. Extraction of the plant, okay, extracted with the gum. The chemical composition of the resins, they are the different chemical compositions of the resins like resin acid, resin alcohol, resinesses, glycosidal mixtures. These are the chemical compositions of the resins. Resin acid, these are diterpenoids, oxyacid, usually combining the properties of the carboxylic acid and phenols, right? Then they are metabolic, metallic, they are metallic salt are known as the resinates. Example of the abatic acid is calophony and the commiphoric acid is milk. resin Resin alcohol, these are the complex alcohol of high molecular weight. Okay, then they are the substances into the resinotoids and resinols. Resinotol, sorry, resinatols give the tannins, resinols give the no color to the reactions. Okay, then resins is are those complex naturally oxygenated substances devoid characteristic chemical components of the properties. They do not form the salt or ether. They resist hydrolysis. They resist hydrolysis with alkalis. They resist the action of oxidizing agents. They generally use in the manufacturing of varnishes. So these are the uses of resonance. Then glycosidal mixtures. Glycosidal, these are the complex mixtures yielding or hydrolyzing sugar complex resins. Example gelatin, right? These are the glycosidal mixtures. Then come forward to the turpentines, which is colophony and rosins. We can say what is the botanical origins of the colophony. Colophony is a residue left after distilling the volatile oil from the oleoresins obtained from the Pinus species, especially into the Pinus palustris family. Belongs to the Pinus palustris is Pinaceae. Then how to collect and preparation, cup and culture method. There are the different methods, cup and culture method, and many tests are there. Okay, so what is turpentine? Next come forward to the turpentine oil. Turpentine oil consists of mainly alpha pinene and beta pinene and some minor constituents. Uses like mild antiseptic actions, insecticide, solvent of waxes, and production of synthetics, furnitures, polishes are used as a turpentine. Uses of the turpentine. Okay, it is obtained by the distillation of turpentine oil from the aqueous solution of NaOH. It is used as stimulant to the mucous membrane, diuretics and expectorants. Next comes the gynoecium resins. Gynoecium resin is obtained from the heartwood, which from the heartwood of the Gaunicum officinale. Okay, which is belong to the family Zygophyllaceae. Preparation, just like the prepare how to prepare the resin from this. What is the color of the grayish in color, but become green on expose of the light or air, and taste are slightly acidic in nature. Odor are aromatic, especially when which is when we use. And solubility is in, they are soluble in ether, chloroform. Okay, then different they are the then next forward to the mastic resins. Mastic resins by what is the botanical origin. Mastic is a resins containing little oil obtained from the cultivated variety of Pistachia lentiscus. Variety of Pistachia lenticus, family Anarcadiaceae. Okay, there are the different preparation, different method of cultivation. Okay, and different therapeutically uses there's a different therapeutic use of this. Mastic is used for the stomach, for stomach ache or intestinal ulcer, or stomach or intestinal ulcer, breathing problem. If there's a breathing problem, then we can use the mastic. Muscle ache, aches, etc. So thank you. If you have any query, just comment below. Thank you.